Did you know you can make your home's air cleaner and your HVAC system work smarter? Let's show you how a UV light can help. UV lights are installed right inside your furnace or air conditioning system. Their job, to target and destroy mold, bacteria, and viruses that could be hiding deep inside your system. By shining powerful ultraviolet light on the damp areas inside, like the coils, these lights stop mold and germs from growing and spreading through your home's air. And we all know how important that is with changing seasons. That means fresher, cleaner air for you and your family, and fewer allergy triggers floating around. Plus, by keeping your system cleaner, UV lights help it run more efficiently, saving energy and cutting down on maintenance costs. That's comfort and savings our neighbors really appreciate. It's a simple upgrade with big benefits: healthier air, a smoother running system, and peace of mind. Ready to breathe easier? Call Absolute Heating and Air today and schedule your UV light installation.